With the release of Houdini 18, we have the sparse pyro solver along with the legacy pyro solver. And what that means is that there's two different ways in which you can create pyro within Houdini. And the workflows are different. So if you decide to use the sparse pyro solver, you'll be sourcing in different volumes as compared to the legacy. In this course, I'll show you how to use both, but I'll primarily stick to the sparse pyro solver because this is a more modern approach to how pyro works in general. To get us started, I've created two scene files. One that has a basic setup in Mantra, and the other which has a basic setup in Redshift. Since I'm rendering in Redshift, that's the scene file that I'll be working off of. But if you're using Karma or Mantra to render this out, I've also included a basic setup that gets you started in that direction as well. But all we have so far is just this fire pit that I've modeled out and textured, these logs, and then a backdrop, along with a couple of lights, so that when we press render, we see something like this. Our goal is to create the most realistic fire as possible while learning a bit about both of those solvers. So in the next video, if you haven't already, download the course files and we'll get started by sourcing in some volumes to the sparse pyro solver.